Greetings to you all in the matchless name for soon coming Jesus Christ. Hey kids, I am back again. How are you all doing? I hope you liked the last two sessions in regards to words and speech, and I hope it's helping others too. Am I right? Let's learn something new today for our personality development. Let's turn our attention to the book of James, chapter 4, verse 1. What causes fights and quarrels among you? Don't they come from your desire that battle within you? Let's learn why fights or quarrel happens and what would be our desire. It's a question answer phase. Why do we quarrel or fight? It's all because of the desire within. We want to be better than others, or we want what others have. We are not happy with what we have. We don't thank God for what we have. Our desires are many. What happens? Let's see. If the desire is not happening or fulfilling, what do? Mostly, we try to cheat. We try to steal. We try to tell bad about that person, like spreading rumors about the person and spoiling his character. If I don't have, we think that let's no one have it. If anyone has to have, it's me who should have. We should be the best, and rest should be the worst. And all this comes because we don't ask God. You know the interesting aspect, kids? If we ask God, and why don't we receive? We ask God with wrong motives. Our intentions are bad. Our intentions are to become famous. We ask as a selfish human being. It's only for me. Me, me, me. The world's most selfish word is me. Just give you an example. I need a specific toy, and this should be the best, and no one has it in the market, and no one should even have a shoe, a pencil, or a dress. Imagine we have so many kids who don't have a pencil to write, who have a shoe or a dress to wear. What should be our desire in that case? Our desire should be there to have a good conduct and be happy and thankful to God for what we have. Our desire should be to improve our character and be a blessing for many. Our desire should be to spread love and affection. Our desire should be listening carefully, speaking wisely, wishing good for others, and sharing our blessing with others, praying for others, helping others. Daily improving our conduct, we can become a good citizen. Have desires which will be a blessing for others. See, I am not telling kids like you should not have desires. Definitely you should have desire. And when you desire something, ask with the right intention so that when you receive it, it should be not just a blessing for you, but it should be a blessing for others. You should not be selfish in asking, and trust me, God will not answer if you have a selfish ambition behind it. You can submit your desires to God and ask without wrong motives or selfish ambition. I should be first in class. It's not a bad thing. I should be top in sports. It's not a bad thing or a bad desire. But you should not have the desire that apart from me, no one should be there. Definitely, you will fall at a later stage. We learned to be active listeners. Slow to speak, slow to anger. We learned to control our speech. We learned to have desires which will be not just to us but be a blessing for many and bring glory to His kingdom. Kids, in all those things, listening through our speech, through our desire, we should never have a selfish motive behind. Our desire should be very clear. Remember what we see, what we listen, what we speak, what we desire. It all defines your character. It defines your destiny. Are we seeing, listening, speaking, which is bringing joy to God? And our desires are without wrong motives? If yes, then we are on a great path for a great personality development. Listen, these three things which we have learned or heard, I hope you have listened it carefully, you will be putting into your practice, and you will have the right desire to be a great child of God, and you will be a wonderful ambassador of God. Before I say thanks, I would like to thank SAGC Youths for the wonderful initiative to have this concept organized for the spiritual blessing for kids as well as elders. My special wishes to the team who are spending time and effort behind the scene to make it possible. You guys are the best. God bless you all. Thank you.